From E&S, and we have Lindsay here as a hand model. Thank you, Lindsay. And so what we're going to be doing is, what Lindsay's done is she's located the E&S cube there, and you'll see that there's a couple of things attached to it. One is power and the other one is the HDMI cable, so that cable is going to the TV. So what you want to do is unplug power in that HDMI cable. And I'll grab the old one there. And with the new one, there's something new added, and that is so that it will talk to us over cellular. So that if you change your Wi-Fi or anything, we can remotely update things for you. So what you want to do is first plug in the HDMI cable. You're an awesome hand model. This is working great. And lastly, plug in power. So that little round thing there. And what you're going to see is you're going to see some blue lights start to show up there, flashing lights. And you can see here on the screen it's starting to do things. Flash away. And that's the entire install. So you can now drop that down the side and we can see it booting up. So that's the entire swap out. Thanks for your time.